Don't hit him. If you hit him, he might sting you. Oh. No, this is my spot.
Okay, y'all being stupid and tired now.
My spot.
Is it time for a nap?
No, Alton already took a nap.